What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window switch on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this switch plate off, just take some trim tools. I'm going to get underneath here. I'm going to take another one here just to slide this forward. There's a clip in the back here. You take a small pick that looks like this. Get in there, release the latch. There we go. That's what you're trying to release, that little latch that holds it in. There's one in the front as well. Disconnect the connector. To take the window switch off this plate, just take a pick, get underneath here. Try to put a little pressure on the switch while you're doing this. I get these released and then these get locked on again. There we go. And then pull the switch out. Right, now we want to just line this up with this cover. Just slide it in position, lock it in place. Take the connector, plug it in, lock that in place, and then line this up, click it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.